All right, third graders, we get to start our next writing unit. And we are going to do some of our lessons on video. So you get to watch me, and then I will give you a little bit of an assignment at the end. So before we begin our unit, I just want to kind of preview some of the books that we're going to be using to help us learn how to write about nonfiction, which means not fiction, which also means true. All right, so some of our books are going to be written in a literary nonfiction, so there's sort of a story that goes along with the facts, and some will be more where the books just are more reference books and give us some information. All right, so I'm just going to preview some of the books and let you think about them. This one is called Tigress, okay? And a tigress is a female tiger. There she is with her babies or her pups, all right? Then we have this book called The Red-Eyed Tree Frog. And as you can see inside, this is more of a reference book. It does tell a little bit of a story about our little frog friend here, but it's not as much of a story as some of the other books that we're going to read. This book is called Bat Loves the Night. You know we love books about bats, right? This will be our third bat book. And as you can see, there is both a story inside, but there are also nonfiction facts written in there as well. Oh, here's a book for all you dinosaur fans, all right? And it looks a little bit cartoony, but there's actually a whole bunch of information that we are going to get to learn about dinosaurs in this book. And here's another dinosaur book, but as you can see, it is very much a reference book, right? It looks a little bit more like an encyclopedia. It has lots of great illustrations, drawings, diagrams, pictures, and we're going to dive deeper into all these books later. This book is called Into the Sea, and as I bet you could imagine, it's about sea turtles. All right, and so again, we have sort of a story that goes along with our nonfiction learning. This book is called Are You a Snail? And again, it is a little bit more of a story form, but we will indeed learn all about snails. This one's about bees. Gail Gibbons, who I think you learned a lot about last year. And so there's lots of great information we're going to learn about bees in this book, honeybees. And our last book is such an interesting book. Before I read this book a few years ago, I would have had no idea there were this many beetles in the world. Okay, so this is an alphabet book, and it goes through all different types of beetles for every letter of the alphabet. Okay, so we will pick a few and learn a little bit about some different beetles. What I need you to do today is I need you to take out your writer's notebook, which is the book that you decorated on the outside. I need you to open it up to a clean page. I need you to write the word animals at the top. And I want you to come up with a list of 5 to 10 animals that you would like to learn more about. All right, because eventually we are going to do some research and we are going to write and create a book all about an animal of your choice. So today, all I need you to do is write down a list for me and attach it to this assignment. All right, thank you.